Oh, you want more freedom? I want more freedom. Let's get started. We're going to talk about where Bitcoin's headed, when's the crash going to come, and where it's going to go, and when's a good time to buy. So, why will Bitcoin go higher? Why? Because economics is people doing what they always do. People doing what they always do. What have they been doing for the last 10 years, and what are they doing today? Well, they are deciding that cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, is valuable. People are being pushed in that direction because of large institutions are now headed in that way. But there were people deciding that for a long time, for the last 10, 12 years. But because of where people are going and because what people always do, it will do what it always does. Makes sense, right? People always do what they always do. We are reluctant to change. So because Bitcoin has in the past peaked after the halving, it's in a bull cycle right now, and most likely it will peak. Some are predicting 100,000 in 2021. Some are predicting 300,000. Some are predicting 500,000. Some are predicting 1,000,000. So because things always do what they always do, it'll probably do something like that, right? Now, in the past, it has dropped 85% after each peak. So after the halving, it goes up, and then it drops 85%, and then it goes up, and it drops 85%, approximately. This time, because institutions are holding it as a treasury reserve asset in the tune of billions and billions and billions of dollars, it will most likely not drop that far during the next crash. Now, there is a huge crash coming in the economy. In the history of our country, there's been 47 ups and down cycles in the history of the United States of America. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And we are long overdue. We did have the last March, we had the little downturn and everything crashed with it. And Bitcoin was one of the first to come out and come out very, very strong. So during the next actual crash, it's been approximately 13 years since the 2008-9 crash. So we are long overdue. And anything could cause our market at this point to really go down. And when everything goes down, Bitcoin will most likely go with it, but it'll probably be the first one out and leading the charge in going up in value. So for anyone, this is not financial advice, but for anyone that is interested in buying, that's going to be a great time to buy during the next crash, which could be this month. It could be in April. Some experts are predicting that April is the time. You know, if a broken watch is right 2 times per day. So something to think about. So no matter what anybody predicts, they will eventually be right. So Bitcoin will go higher again because economics is people, and people do what they always do. So most likely it will continue. People are deciding it's an asset. And there's a lot of reasons for that. The limited supply of 21 million, the cryptocurrency, the blockchain, the technology, etc. So key takeaways: buy during the next crash, sell your car now, which is why I haven't done a video in a while. Right now is tax refund time. I've sold 4 cars in just over a week. So if you have a car you want to sell it now. Right now is tax refund time, and I think the 1.9 trillion stimulus is coming out. So there's money flying, and anyone who needs a car is going to buy a car. So sell your car now. And the last takeaway: if you need a haircut, wear a hat. Thanks for watching.